What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and bell icon. Today I will telling about the Saint-Lyre, Minerva, coin from Italy, minted in 1977, is a shining example of post-war European coinage, blending classical symbolism with the strength of modern Italian design. Le at first glance it may seem like just another everyday coin, de 1977 issu holds historical, collectible, and sometimes sentimental value to those who appreciate the legacy of the Repubblica Italiana. So, how much is the 1977 Italian Saint-Lyre worth today? Let's dive into the coin's background, physical details, minting figure, collector interest, and present-day market value. Physical and design characteristics. The Saint-Lyre coin from 1977 belongs to the broader Minerva series, minted between 1955 and 1989. Designed by Giuseppe Romagnoli, it's renowned for its classical style and balanced design. Spécification. Entrée. Italy Repubblica Italiana Year of Minting. 1977 et nomination. Saint-Lyre diameter. 27,8 mm thickness. 2 mm weight. 8.0 grams composition. Acmonital à corrosion resistant stainless steel alloy edge. Readed features the head of Italia Turrita, the allegorical figure of Italy, facing right. Legend REPVBBLICAITALIANR runs along the edge. Her hair is adorned with a mural crown, referencing Italy's fortified cities. Depict the Roman goddess Minerva standing beside an olive tree, holding a spear in one hand and reaching toward the tree with the other. The denomination, L100, appears on the left, and the mint mark, R, Rome mint is placed below the date, 1977. Historical context. Italy in the late 1970s. The 1970s were a period of both economic struggle and cultural change in Italy. The country faced inflation, social unrest, and political instability, often referred to as the anni di piombo, or years of lead. These years were marked by domestic terrorism and ideological polarization. In this backdrop, Italy's coinage was intended to reflect stability and national pride. The use of Minerva, the goddess of wisdom and strategy, was symbolic. Italy, though facing challenges, stood resilient and resourceful. Saint-Lyre coin was not a rare or ceremonial issue, it was everyday currency. Because of the quality of its minting and the strength of its imagery, it has since become a favorite among collectors. Mintage figure and circulation. In 1977, the Italian mint in Rome produced 180,000 pieces of the Saint-Lyre coin. Figure place de 1977 issue among the more common years in the Minerva series. Coin from this year were widely circulated, and many survive in average worn condition. Said, higher grade pieces, particularly those in mint state or proof, are less common and more desirable. Condition and grading. The key to value as with most coins, the condition of the Saint-Lyre 1977 plays a critical role in determining its worth. Generally graded on the Sheldon scale, from poor pair to mint state MS70. Here's a breakdown of how the 1977 coin might be valued based on its condition. Grade description. Estimated value USD pour to fin P1 to F12 heavily worn. Details faded face value of $0.10 $0.30 very fin VF20 moderate wear. Somme détail visible $0.40 $0.60 extremely fin EF40 light wear. All elements clear $0.75 $1 abound circulated aux 50 minor marks, nearly perfect $1.50 $2 mint state MS60 to MS65 no circulation, lustre $2.50 $6 MS66 and above high grade bu premium quality, scarce $10 $15 or more. These values are general estimate from recent numismatic market trends as of and may fluctuate based on demand and collector interest. Proof and collector editions. Out how the 1977 Saint-Lyre was not released in a proof set for general circulation. Some collector set and mint issued folders may contain circulated or specimen strikes. Coins are struck with extra care and often exhibit sharp detail and a mirror-like finish. Such coins, if still in original packaging, may be valued anywhere between $15 and $30, depending on their condition and completeness of presentation box, COA, etc. Commonality versus desirability. The Saint-Lyre 1977 is a common coin in terms of total mintage. A few factors can elevate its collectibility. High grade condition and circulated. Proof-like surface collector preference for Minerva design. Historical interest in the 970s Italian currency. It's worth noting that this coin is often part of Starte World coin collection, especially for collectors focusing on post-war Europe or modern Italian coin. Widely known major errors have been documented for the 1977 issue. Minor striking anomaly or planchet flaws occasionally show up. Off-center strikes, die cracks, rotated dies. Such errors, if verified, can add a premium of 5x to 20x face value, depending on severity and appeal to error collectors' modern market. Buying hand. Italy has a long and rich numismatic tradition, with its coin reflecting both cultural shifts and economic transformation. Among the most iconic of modern Italian coins is the Saint-Lyre coin featuring the Roman goddess Minerva, issued widely during the second half of the 20th century. This script explores the historical, cultural, and monetary context of the 1977 Italian sans lire coin, known popularly as the Minerva coin, due to its elegant and classical depiction of the goddess. We will delve into its design, production, circulation, economic backdrop, and eventual withdrawal from it. Historical background. Post-war Italy and the lira. To fully appreciate the sans lire coin from 1977, one must understand the post-World War II history of Italy and the role of the lira. After World War II, Italy transitioned from a monarchy to a republic in 1946. The Italian economy began a long process of reconstruction and modernization. Italian lira or ITL, which had suffered from wartime inflation, was reestablished under the new republic and became central to the economic identity of modern Italy. From 1951 onward, the lira began to stabilize. Italy sa significant economic growth in the 1950s and 1960s, commonly referred to as the Italian economic miracle. During this period, industrialization, increased foreign trade, and improved public infrastructure contributed to a more prosperous and modern Italy. The demand for new, durable, and efficient coinage grew in tandem with this development. The introduction of the sans lire Minerva coin. The sans lire, Minerva, coin was introduced in 1955, and it quickly became one of the most recognized coins in Italy. This coin replaced earlier, Ivier denomination and reflected the push for modernization in Italian coinage. Minted continuously from 1955 to 1989 with minimal change, it became a staple in daily transactions for over 3 decades. By the time the 1977 version was released, the sans lire coin had already become familiar in the hands of the Italian populace. However, the late 1970s were marked by a period of economic instability. Inflation was rising, oil prices were surging, and Italy faced political turbulence. Within this context, the 1977 sans lire coin was minted as part of a continued but increasingly challenging effort to provide stable and reliable currency. Design elements of the 1977 sans lire coin. The sans lire coin's design is both elegant and classical. Created by artist Giuseppe Romagnoli, it combines elements of ancient Roman symbolism with modern aesthetic simplicity. First front. The obverse of the coin features a portrait of Minerva, the Roman goddess of wisdom, strategic warfare, and the art. Minerva is standing, holding a long spear in her right hand, and placing her left hand on an olive tree, a symbol of peace and knowledge. Robes and posture convey strength, wisdom, and virtue. Along the left rim, the word, Repubblica Italiana, Italian Republic is inscribed in capital letters. Back. The reverse of the coin shows the denomination, L100, indicating sans lire. Below the denomination is the date, 1977, with the mint mark, R, denoting the Rome Mint Istituto Poligrafico Ezeca dello Stato. Design is framed in a smooth, rounded body with a clean surface, giving it a modern look. This blend of ancient iconography and modern design encapsulated Italy's desire to link its rich classical past with its post-war future. Material and specification. One notable feature of the sans lire Minerva coin is its material. It was one of the earliest Italian coins made from Akmonitol, an alloy of stainless steel, which was both economical and durable. Position. Akmonitol stainless STE weight, 8 grams diameter. 27,8 mm thickness. 2 mm edge. Rated disuse of stainless steel made the coin resistant to corrosion, allowing it to remain in circulation for decades with minimal wear. Decision was both practical and symbolic of Italy's embrace of modern metallurgy and economic efficiency. 1977. A year in context. The year 1977 in Italy was turbulent, politically and economically. It was experiencing the effects of global economic crisis, especially the aftermath of the 1973 oil shock. Inflation was high, unemployment was rising, and political instability plagued the country. These challenges, the Italian mint continued to produce coins in high volume. In 1977, over 130 million sans lire coins were minted. This high production volume ensured the coin's wide availability and confirmed its central role in Italy's monetary system. It was used for everyday purchase, from coffee and public transport to groceries and newspapers. Cultural and symbolic meaning of Minerva, are the primary motif of the coin, carry deep cultural resonance. Not only the goddess of wisdom but also a protector of civilization, T.